Let's see how to transfer photos or videos from your iPhone to your PC or laptop. This is a pretty easy process, and you won't be needing a cable to do this. We will only need a Wi-Fi connection and a couple of seconds of your time. So I want to transfer these photos that are on my iPhone to my Windows PC or computer. This will also work if you want to transfer any videos. Firstly, open any web browser on both your iPhone and your computer, and you want to navigate to a website that's called pairdrop.net. This website is free, and it will allow us to wirelessly transfer the photos to our computer. I'm going to leave the website link in the video description down below so you can open the website from there. Also, make sure that you're using the same Wi-Fi network for both your iPhone and your PC or laptop if you want this to work. If you are using your mobile data, switch to the Wi-Fi network that you use on your computer in order for the devices to recognize each other. As you can see, I can see my computer on my iPhone, and it will be given a random name. Just select the computer and select your photo gallery from the list. That is going to open our iPhone's camera roll, in which we simply want to select the photos which we want to transfer to our computer. I have a couple of photos in here, so I'll just select them, and then I'll tap on the Add option at the top right corner of the screen. That is going to show us a little window on our PC or laptop, similarly to what you would get when you use AirDrop between your iPhone and Mac devices. So you can just accept the photos from the iPhone and wait a couple of seconds or minutes until the photos transfer. The more photos you want to transfer, the longer it will take, so just make sure you have a fast and stable internet connection. When the file transfers, we will get a zipped file on our computer, so just right-click on the file and extract the photos from the folder. And that's it. You see that it was really easy to transfer the photos from our iPhone to our PC or laptop. We didn't need any cables or chargers, and it only took us a few steps. If you need more similar tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe to Tutor, and I will see you soon.